Hola viewers, welcome back to my channel. I have cooked many Japanese dishes. Oyakodon, gyudon, Katsu-don, so many dons, sashimi, egg roll, and fried rice. Actually, fried rice is not Japanese, but in a Japanese style, Japanese way. I've cooked many Japanese dishes already. But I still remember, many of you guys want me to cook omurice, and curry, and this yakisoba. So I'm making yakisoba today. In Japan, yakisoba is always popular. Maybe you have seen some yakisoba from your manga, anime, I guess. And also for mothers or who cooks, yakisoba is good because it's very easy to cook and cheap. If you go to Japanese supermarket, you will find some types of yakisoba like this. This one is one of the most common types of yakisoba. It's half cooked and without sauce, so it's very cheap, 100 yen, so just $1. And also you can see this kind of yakisoba, also half cooked but with sauce. Some have powder sauce and some have like liquid sauce. But this time I'm afraid that you cannot find all the ingredients in your country. So today I'm sharing this very easy cooking recipe with you, okay? I'll show you the ingredients. Noodles and some pork belly and garlic. As for veggies, you can add anything. Many people like to put a cabbage or carrot. Today I found this green onion in my fridge and this one. I thought this is a leek, but how do you call this? Very thin, skinny green onion. Yeah, and some mushroom. As for sauce, I'm gonna use oyster sauce, 10 milliliter, and soy sauce 10 milliliter, and ketchup 10 milliliter. 3 grams of sugar. If you have okonomiyaki sauce or usta sauce, it's gonna be easier. But today, let's try this recipe, okay? Okay, let's cut the ingredients. Slice of pork belly, okay. And garlic slice. Here's one tip for you. Before you start stir frying this noodle, you can heat it in the microwave first. You can save a lot of time. Also, I want to make an omu-ish thing, so need 2 eggs. Okay, now the ingredients are ready, so let's start frying them. Put garlic first. And pork. Just a little bit salt and pepper. With the maximum power. And the leek, I don't know, leek. And the sauce, put half of it first. Let me taste some. Put all the sauce. All the sauce. Still tasteless. Want to add some soy sauce and MSG. Okay, should be good. Good. Next, I want to do the omu part. Now it looks like this. Next, you have to stir it well. Okay, it's ready. Cannot be too cooked. Now it looks like this. I made it. Yes. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Add this pickled ginger. Luckily I have okonomiyaki sauce, so mayonnaise. Cut green onion for garnish. Yay! Looks great. Okay, let's try this. It must be great. Because I put the okonomi sauce in the end, it tastes okay. But without okonomi sauce, I think I had to put a little bit more oyster sauce and soy sauce. I'm sure spicy sauce will go with this whole yakisoba. If you can find okonomi sauce, you can add okonomi sauce or usta sauce. If not, you can add some salty sauce and some sugar. Then it's gonna be better. I promise you, if you follow my recipe, you can make a very beautiful yakisoba. As for the taste, you can arrange it by yourself. I trust you guys, okay? I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and visit our website. You will find great, cute kokeshi dolls, okay? Thank you for watching and see you next time.